Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about exponents and power. In exponents and power, first of all, we will see what is exponents, what is power, what is base. Clear? Suppose that one example we are taking 5 power 3. Clear? 5 power 3. So, base asking what is the base, what is the power or exponent or index also we can say. So base means 5, power means 3. Suppose that 10 power 7. 10 power 7 means base here 10. Power or index we can say 7. So it is a base, it is a exponent or power we can say. Index also we can say. Here also 10 power 7. Base it is fixed 10. But here 7 we can say power, index, exponent. No problem is there. Okay. After that, some formula is there. That also I will tell. Is it formula? A power m into a power m equal to a power m plus n. If base is equal, the exponent we can do plus. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Means suppose that any question is given, example I am telling you, 10 power 3 into 10 power 7. Find this. Means 10 power 3 into 10 power 7. It is a question. Clear? So since a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay? Therefore 10 power 3, 10 power 7 equal to 10 power 3 plus 7. 10 power 10. Clear? It is an example of this formula. A power m into a power n equal to a power n plus n. Suppose that we have taken one example. 10 power 3 into 10 power 7 equal to what? 10 power 3 into 10 power 7. It is a question. Solution is, since a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, therefore 10 power 3 into 10 power 7 equal to 10 power 3 plus 7 by equal to 10 power 10. Clear? Now next formula. Suppose that a power m divided by a power n. Clear? We can write this a power m minus n. Clear? Example 7 power 3 divided by 7 power 8. Clear? Equal to 1. We know that a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Means therefore 7 power 3 divided by 7 power 2 equal to 7 power 3 minus 2 equal to 7 power 1. If divide sign is there, we can do minus. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. 7 power 3 divided by 7 power 2 equal to 7 power 3 minus 2 equal to 7 power 1. Clear? If in fraction form is given, any example, 2 by 5 power 5 divided by 2 by 5 power 4. Clear? Same process. A power m divided by a power n equal means 2 by 5 power 5 minus 4 means 2 by 5 power 2 by 5 power 1 means 2 by 5. Clear? Next formula is a by b power n power m. A by b power m is equal to a by b power m. Clear? This is one example given. 2 by 7 power 3 power 4 means a by b power n power m means a by b power m. Therefore 2 by 7 3 power 4 means 2 by 7 power 12. 4 3 are 12. Clear? Now next, if any number is given, any variable is given, say a power 0 is equal to 1. A by b power 0 is equal to 1. As a one example we are taking, if any number is given, a power is 0. If any number power is 0, means their value is, we can take 1. Suppose that given 10 power 0 plus 5 power 0. Clear? So 10 power 0 1, 5 power 0 1 equal to 2. Clear? Means if any number power is given 0, so that value we will take 1. Clear? If any variable's power is given 0, that value 1. Clear? Next one, if any fraction power is given -1, given in minus, you want to make this power in positive, so b by a power, just you will do reciprocal of this number. Clear? Suppose that given a power -1, do you want to make this positive? 1 by a power. Clear? Say one example we are taking 7 by 2 power -1. Clear? So you want to change this power 2 by 7. Okay? After this formula, I will start exercise. Okay? Exercise 13 from NCERT. In NCERT chapter number 13 exponents and power, and in RS Agrawal chapter number 5, that is exponents. Clear? Means you in NCERT you will read chapter number 13, that time you will read in RS Agrawal chapter number 5. Clear? Chapter number only not same. Okay? But name you will see from name. So 13.1 exercise 13.1. First question, find the value of 2 power 6. Find the value of 2 power 6. 2 power 6 means power is showing कि you will do multiply by 2 how much time? 6 time. Means you will do multiply of 2 how much time? 6 time. Means 2 power 6 means 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. Power is showing how much time we will multiply of that number. Clear? तो 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16 2 जा 32 2 जा 64 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16 2 जा 32 2 जा 64. Clear? It is the answer of first question. Find the value of 2 power 6 is given. If any number is given there like this, so you will do this one. Second part also I am telling you. B part 9 power 3. Find the value of 9 power 3 means 9 power 3 means 2 multiply by 3 times. Do multiply 9 3 times. 9 9 है 81 81 9 है 729. By 9 9 है 81. अब suppose that you have no number, so you can do like this. 9 1 है 9 9 8 है 729. It is the answer. Clear? So it was first question. Now second question, express the following in exponential form. Clear? Note down this. Next, second one, 6 into 6 into 6 into, so write in exponential form. Okay, exponential form means 6 into 6. You will see if 6 is given how much time. So 1 2 3 4 4 time is given. Okay, means 6 power. It is in exponential form. Means you will see if 6 is given how much time. Whatever number is given, that number you will see how much time is given. The second one given t into t means t power 2. 6 one I am telling you. A into A into A into C into C into C into C into D. So write in exponential form. A 1 2 3. A given 3 times means A power 3. C is given 4 times means C power 4. A cube C power 4 D. It is your answer of second question. Note down. Third question, express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. Third one, 512. Tell him to write in exponential form. So first of all you will find this number LCM. 512 means 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. 2 8 ja 16. Okay? 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 4. Means 512 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 into 2 into 2. Clear? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Means 2 power. It is in exponential form. Means in question given 512. Express each of the following numbers using exponential form. Means 512 you want to make in exponential form. So first of all you will find the LCM of this number. After that you can write like this. Any number is given. Any number is given. Asking this, you can do like this. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 is identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Means 2 part is given. Note down. 2 part is given. So 4 1. 4 power 3 और 3 power 4. Okay. 4 power 3 or 3 power 4. Asking you which is greater. So 4 power 3. 4 into 4 into 4 means 4 4 is 64 is 64. 3 power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. So you see which value is greater. 81 is greater means 3 power 4 is means in question number 4 first of all write the question, after that find the value. 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4 means 64. 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 means 81. After that you do compare which value is greater. 81 is greater than 64 means 81 value are 3 power 4 means 3 power 4 is greater. Okay. Question number 5, express each of the following as product of power their prime factors. Clear? You can do like question number 3. Question number 6, simplify. 7 also simplify. I am telling you question number 6. 2 into 10 power 3. Question number 6, simplify. 2 into 10 to the power 3 means 2 into 10 power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10 means 2 into 2 1 but 10 power 3 means to multiply by 3 times after 10 into 10 into 10,000. 2 1 2 means 2000. Clear? Question number 6 like this you can do. Question number 7, there is also simplified. Question number 7 minus 4 power 3 means minus 4 power 3 means minus 4 multiple minus 4 multiple minus 4. So minus minus plus 4 4 is 16 into minus 4 minus plus minus 16 4 is clear. It is an answer. Question number 8, compare the following numbers. 2 number is given. Question number 7. 2.7 10 to the power 12 1.5 into 10 to the power 18 sorry 8. Our question is compare the following. Clear? Ten to the power 12 means 2.7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 0 will be right means 2.7. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After point 1 number is there means here we will write point. So then 2, 27, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 0 remove by after part 0 no value. Like this 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 means 1.5 into 10 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total is 0 means 115 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After point one number means 1 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Means 15 crore is there. It is greater than until less than 27. Means 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Clear? It is a greater than this number. Solution like this. 10 power 12 means after 1 0 you will write 12 times. After point 1 number means 1 point here. Clear? Like this 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Same process. After that you see which value is greater. This value is greater means this number is greater than this number. The 13.1 is complete. After that we will see exercise 5A in R.S. Agrawal. So in 5A first question, write each of the following in power notation. So in question in 13.1 exercise second question I told you like that this question. How you will see how much time number is given. That much power you will write here. I am telling you. Why I am explaining exercise 5A together? Because in 13.1 exercise less question is there. Here is given so many question is there. That's why I am telling you. Okay. So in first question 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 asking the solution. 1 2 3 4 means 5 by 7 power. It is in power notation. Second question also you can do. Express each of the following in power. 25 by 36. So 25 by 36. 25 means 5 into 5. 36. 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 3 ja 36. Means 5 power 2 power 2, 2 3 ja 6. See, 2 power 2 into 3 power 3, 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. So here base is not equal, exponent is equal. So base equal to multiply. Means 5 power 2 or 6 power 2 means 5 by 6 power means 5 into 5 36 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12 3 ja 36 means you can find LCM 2 9 ja 3 3 ja 9 3 1 ja 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 means 2 power 2 3 power 2. So see, base is not equal, exponent is equal. If exponent is equal to exponent common, a base we can do multiply 2 3 is 6 means 6 power 2 means 5 by 6 power 2. Question number 3, 2 by 3 power 5. As a rational number we can do multiply by 2 by 3 5 times. After that your answer will come. Question number 4 also you can do like question number 6. 5 also find the reciprocal of the each of the following. Reciprocal I told you. Fifth one 3 by 8 power 4. 3 by 8 power 4 means 8 by right reciprocal are 3 by 8 power 4 means 8 by 3 power minus 4. By you are doing reciprocal of 3 by 8, so 4 given in positive. When you are doing reciprocal, change in negative. If power given in negative, you are doing reciprocal, the change in positive. Question number 6 also you can do. 7 number simplify, 8 number simplify. Question number 10. Minus 1 by 4 power 2 minus 2. Okay. The solution. Board mass rule you are knowing. First of all you will solve small bracket. Minus 1 by 4 power 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1. Okay. After that curly bracket. Minus 1 by 4 minus minus plus 4 means minus 1 by 4 power 4 minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4. Clear? So given 4 power 4 means answer will come in positive 1 upon see yeah 1 upon 4 4 जा 16 4 जा 64 64 4 जा 64 4 जा 4 4 जा 16 4 6 जा 24 और 256. Clear? Means first sum is small bracket 2 to 2 जा 4 minus 4 after that minus minus plus 4 1 जा 4 means minus 1 by 4 power 4. Okay, so minus 1 by 4 power 4 will do multiply by 4 times. If power given in even number, so means the result will come positive. 1 by 4 to multiply by 4 times, so 1 by 256 will be. So exercise 13.1 and exercise 5 both is completed. Okay, in next part I will start next exercise. Okay, thank you student.